Hey there everyone, how's it going? Tharun here. So in the previous video we saw that we added a few items, but even when using local storage, when we refresh the page, even though the items exist here, they are not showing up on the page. That is because we have not fetched them. Now let's do that. For that, let's go down, okay, and above this let's write a for loop, okay, for I equal to 0, I less than count, okay, I plus plus. All right, and if you're wondering where this count is coming from, in the previous video we fetched the count from the local storage, so it is coming from there. And if count does not exist, it is gonna set it to 0 by default, because we have written the code for that also. So here what we're gonna do is we're gonna create note title equal to window dot local storage dot key of I. Now what is this key of I? Okay, so let me explain to you. When we want to fetch from the local storage, okay, if we are using get item, then we'll have to mention the key, isn't it? But here, since we are coming to this page for the first time, we will not know what keys are stored, because we are storing the node title itself as a key. So the way you fetch it is using this key method. So what you need to pass to this key method is you need to pass the number 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, okay, for the number which you want to fetch. For example, if you want to fetch this, you'll give like key of 0, key of 1, key of 2, etc. So you would give key of 1, key of 2, key of 3, etc, etc. So for that purpose we have written this for loop. So inside this, what we are going to write is let note body equal to window dot local storage dot key. Actually this is not key, sorry. So note body local storage dot, what you want to do, you want to do get item of note title, isn't it? So what this would do is, from this we would get the key, okay, and it will be stored in the note title. And when you pass get item of note title, it will give you the note body, isn't it? Just take some time to analyze this, you will definitely get it. So one check we need to do, okay, which I'll tell you later. But before that, let's just directly create note, passing in note title, note body. Save it, close this, let's reload. If you see here, we have hello and add another, okay. Now let's add more items. Okay, we have added few items. Now let's reload this page. And if we go to application, we have all of these, okay, we have these notes here. Let me bring this down, and we have this notes here, and you see that this count is in the last, okay. But what if the count was in the beginning, okay, if the count was in the middle here somewhere, then what problem would occur is that even the count would come as a note here, and this one of the things will not appear at all. So we have to prevent that, okay. So to prevent that, what you have to do is, first of all, you will have to iterate count plus 1 times, because whenever we come across the key by name count, we want to skip it. So the way we do that is, if note title is not equal to count, okay, and note title, which makes sure that the note title is not empty, okay. So only in this scenario we want to create the note. Okay, so hope you're getting this. The thing I'm trying to do here is, even though this loop comes across an item name count, it should not show it, because we don't want the count to be a note, right? Because the user did not add a note by name count. So we are checking here for the condition that it should not be a count and the note title should not be empty, and only then create the note. So that would happen now, and this website is persistent. You can refresh, you can close the browser and open, it would definitely work. So that is all for this video. Hope you all understood it. Please feel free to ask me about it, about any doubts you have. See you guys in the next video.